This is a kitchen timer, and now it's no display. Now what I want to do is I want to change the battery. Okay, you can see you need to open this battery cover. The battery cover, you turn to the left, it's open. Turn to the right, it's closed. Now I want to open this. Okay, I turn this. Turn to the left, open. Okay, this is a cell battery or button battery. This is the battery that we are going to replace. And before that, we have to know that what is the code number of this battery, so we can replace the exact code of this battery. From here we can't see it very clear, so what we do is we try to use a phone to take a picture, then enlarge it. You can see what code of this battery. Let's go. Okay, now we try to enlarge this image. Okay, now we can see the code is LR1130H. Here is all the button battery, AG0 to AG13, and don't know which one is belong to this LR1130H. Okay, let's Google it and try to find the equivalent. Let's go. LR1130H equivalent. Okay, this is equivalent. Okay, yes, you can see direct replacement for the LR1130 would be, okay, 1130, AG10, 189, LR54, and LR55. So AG10. Okay, this is the AG10. This is a AG10 button battery. Now we take up one of the battery and replace this. Okay, this is the battery. Okay, almost same size. Now we put inside here. Positive on top. Okay, now we close the battery cover. Turn right to close, to lock this battery cover. Okay, hopefully everything works fine. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, we try the 2 seconds and count down. Yeah, how about a minute? Yeah, can count down. I reset. Okay, count up. Yeah, everything works fine. Thank you for watching.